What's going on, travel fans? It's Ron from RJT Travels, and this video is going to be giving you some different room tours. So you're going to get to see a couple of different options that Sandals Royal Bahamian has on property. You're going to get to see a luxury level room, a club level room, and you're going to get to see a Butler room. Plus, you will get to see a villa as well. So you get to see all different levels and tiers in the room booking. So stick with us here, and you're going to get to see all the different room types. So before diving into the room tours, though, there is one thing that I want to mention when considering Sandals Royal Bahamian. Right now, when this video is published, the East Bay rooms have all been renovated. They are all new rooms. They are all up to date. They were just renovated in 22 and 23, so they are brand spanking new rooms. And you'll notice that on the tour, the West Bay rooms are going to be a little bit of an older room, less updated, less remodeled. They're due to be remodeled, but that has not been locked down yet on when they're doing it. I'm saying this because if you're booking a room and considering what to book and everything else, East Bay room is going to be newer rooms. It is on the quiet side of the resort. I know I said that in the overview video, but it's not like you can't walk to the West Bay pool and hang out and everything. They're all right here. So location does matter in the quiet versus not. However, if you're somebody who wants a newer room, who wants more outlets, who wants that nicer vibe feel, East Bay is going to be your choice over West Bay. The other thing to know is that East Bay has luxury, club, and Butler. West Bay is just club and Butler. So if you're looking at a luxury room, you have no options. You're going East Bay. If you are looking at club and Butler, there are options in both, but I would seriously look at them and consider what you want to do because East Bay does have the newer rooms. So just food for thought as you're going through and looking at this. All the different rooms are labeled on the bottom. It's just a simple walkthrough. If you guys do have any questions about it, reach out, let us know. RJT Travels is a Sandals Certified Elite Advisor, so we book sandals, we know sandals. As you can see, I'm literally here right now walking through it, so I'll have first-hand knowledge and be able to answer any questions that you guys have for Sandals Royal Bahamian, or if you're considering any other property. RJT Travels books any of the Sandals resorts. So also make sure to hit that subscribe button and the like button on this video, so that way you can see all the different videos we have and get alerted when we're posting new. There is a ton of content I've been posting while I'm down here at Sandals Royal Bahamian, ton of different things to see. We were just at St. Vincent in October. We're going to Montego Bay in this September. So always posting new content, new sandals overviews and walkthroughs and questions and everything. Talking about weddings, talking about you name it, we're doing it. So make sure to subscribe to the channel so you always get the latest information. And I hope you guys enjoy the room tours. But until next time, happy travels. you.